Hi guys, welcome back. I wanted to introduce you to a new shake that I discovered in Whole Foods recently. It's by the Garden of Life and it's a raw organic meal shake replacement. And the shake comes in vanilla, chocolate, and another flavor that I can't remember at this time, but it's a convenient organic meal replacement. It boosts energy, it builds lean muscle, it helps you to stay full, and it claims to have live probiotics and enzymes for digestive health. So here on the container, you can see some of the what's included. You can see the vitamins. You can see it has 70 milligrams of potassium, 8 grams of carbs, 20 grams of protein, and more. And then over to the right, some of the ingredients include spinach. It has apple, broccoli, organic carrots, chia seeds, flax seeds, lentil, sesame seed, and so much more. I also noticed that it had onion in it. It had a lot of different ingredients that you don't actually taste when you blend it all together. I was really amazed when I drank this at work because it made me feel full for a couple of hours. I've tried many other shakes and smoothies trying to find that right drink that I actually kill my appetite when I'm at work, because I don't usually have time to eat much because I'm always busy. And I just needed something that had vitamins in it and something that was filling so that I don't miss out. It's not good to just skip your meals throughout the day. So this is how the powder looks. It's like a brownish, grayish color. And this is the scooper that comes with it. And you only need 1 scoop per smoothie. Okay? And I usually add almond milk, the unsweetened almond milk, to my smoothies. And also I like to add fruits with no sugar. As you can see here, apples, strawberries, mangoes. I also like to add blackberries. You can add any type of fruit that you want if you like. In the mornings, I like to add C4 Sport, as you can see here. And it's like a pre-workout solution. It's better than drinking coffee in the morning. Now, I wouldn't drink this towards the evening time because it will keep you up. And these are some of the ingredients that are included. Now, this stuff right here is very, very strong. I would not suggest, again, that you drink this at night, only in the morning. And it's perfect for if you're going to work out because it gives you so much energy. And this is what the powder looks like. And the taste is really, really sweet. It reminds me of like a Kool-Aid flavor. So I only use that sometimes. So I use my personal blender at work, similar to this one. And this is that's the top that you screw on to blend the drink. I'm sorry, it already blended the drink, and this is how it turned out. And this is going to be my dinner for the evening. So on a scale from 1 to 10, I definitely give this drink an 11. It's so filling and absolutely delicious. I definitely recommend it. Thank you again for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Have a good night. Bye.